how you can create this effect in Capcut. Very simple. And now, without wasting any second, let's jump right into the video. I'm gonna delete everything here I have in a timeline. I'm gonna show you how you can create this effect. So I'll drag this video I have from Pixabay, and now I'll trim also the video around here, because now this person will move from the video here, and I can use this effect. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna crop this person. So first we have to select the video and freeze this frame. Grab this frame and drag it onto the first video we have here. This is an image right now, and we can make this smaller, much smaller. We can hold Alt to zoom in. Sorry, Control. I'm used to DaVinci, and DaVinci you have to hold Alt. So if you hold Control, you can zoom in, and now you should move this to this image, and let's trim this even more. And now, really powerful option you have in Capcut, you can simply click on Auto Cut Out. All right, and now you just cut this image, and we don't have any background anymore. So make it pretty should only last a couple of seconds, 2 seconds. And now select the image, go to animation, and make sure you add where is it, slide right. All right, and now you have this effect. Okay, you can make it longer, as you can see, and it's pretty cool. Like this, you can add this effect in multiple videos. And gonna be honest, I learned this effect from Capcut on TikTok. I saw this effect and I thought to myself, why not to show you this effect to others on YouTube? Maybe this effect will be useful to you. So I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching, and take care.